I will be explaining about the manufacturing process of coin money. In order to obtain the coin, a stainless steel bar has to go through 9 processes. The first process is rolling, where it transforms the stainless steel bar into coil. Then blanking process is done onto the coil in order to achieve the blanks. The blanks then go through a process called riddling, where it helps screen out blanks that are not in the right shape, size and weight. After this, the blanks go through the annealing process, where the blanks are sent to an annealing oven to soften. Burnishing is the next process. This process helps brighten the surface and remove impurities on the coin blank. The next process is upsetting. This process creates an edge for the coin and is later on called as planchets. After this, engraving process is done onto the stamp block. After engraving, the planchets go through the stamping process, where the engraved pattern on the stamp block is stamped onto the planchets. The last processes are inspecting, counting and packing. The coins are inspected and then counted by an automatic counting machine, and it is lastly packed and shipped to Bank Negara Malaysia, which will then the coins be distributed to the local banks.